Hello, everybody. My name is Kewal, and with my teammates Jaydeep and Brijesh. Interesting fact, we are all from India. So, we are going to be presenting our topic, as the title suggests, Polyface Farm Operational Analysis of a Symbiotic System. Our main focus is to understand how Polyface Farm, run by Joel Salatin in the US, balances ecology, efficiency, and ethics. So, basically, in other words, you could say how it keeps farming sustainably while still being productive. Let me define polyphase farm. So, polyphase farm is known as a model of sustainable agriculture. Instead of using chemicals or industrial farming, it focuses on natural systems where animals and the land support each other. So it's basically like a symbiotic relationship between the animals and the land, sorry. It's a closed loop system, meaning everything on the farm is reused and basically nothing goes to waste. Moving on to the next slide. So now we have used Slack's 4 V's model to analyze the operation of the farm. So these 4 V's stand for volume, variety, variation, and visibility. Let's start with volume. The farm produces low volume by design. For example, around 120 cows per year. The goal is quality, not quantity, keeping balance with the land's capacity. Then comes variety. Polyface offers a wide variety of products like beef, pork, chicken, eggs, turkey, rabbits, and even forestry. This variety helps spread risk and improve sustainability. Coming to variation, the farm runs seasonally. For example, broilers are raised on pasture from May to October, from the month of May to October. While in winter, the pigs work in the barn turning compost. This keeps the farm active all year but in different ways. And the last one is visibility. Polyface has an open door policy. Anyone can visit and see how food is produced. This transparency builds trust and quality because customers act like inspectors. So basically is nothing is behind the doors, if you can if you may call it the black box. Everything is visible to the naked eye while visiting the farm, and you can figure out what is going on without any doubts. So basically everything is transparent. Moving to the next slide. For example, this is a diagram of how the operation of the farm works. So basically, I would like to describe it with examples that are shown in the diagram. For example, the cow eats grass, the chickens follow cows and eat the insects from cow manure, which helps clean the pasture, and the pigs turn compost and help fertilize the soil. This natural cycle keeps the land healthy without any artificial fertilizers added to the farm. So my friend is going to take over the next slide and the rest of the presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Brijesh. Now I will talk about how Polyface farm applies management theories in farming system and what are its main strengths and challenges. Lean, eliminated waste. The first theory is lean. which focus on removing waste and improving efficiency. At Polyface Farm, the meaning of waste is completely redefined. Here, waste is not something to throw away, it becomes a useful resource. For example, instead of using machines for tractors to turn compost, pigs do this job naturally. While researching for food, pig digs and makes the compost, which saves fuels and keeps the soils healthy. This is the smart way to use animal for value adding work instead of machines. So lean thinking at Polyface means using natural behavior to reduce waste and make the system more efficient. Dimming. Dimming build quality in. Dimming build quality in. The second theory is a dimming principle which says that quality should be built into the process, not check at the end. At Polyface, this happens through transparency and natural design. The farm has an open door policy so customer can visit anytime and see how food is produced. The animal live in open pasture, eat clean food and grow in natural environment. Because of the system, the quality of product is guaranteed automatically, not through the inspection or testing, but through good process design. So combination lean and dimming Polyface shows how management idea can work perfectly even in farming by being efficient, transparent and sustainable. Operational strength and constraint. Now let's look at the some other main strength and limitation system. Operational strength and constraint. Now let's look at some of the main strength and limitation of this system. First, ecological integrity. The biggest strength of the Polyface farm is ecological integrity, which means keeping nature in balance. The farm whole system depend on soil health. Health soil grow rich grass, cow eat the grass, the manure returns nutrition to the land and the chickens and pigs help recycle it. The natural cycle keep the environment strong without using any chemicals. So soil is the engine that powers the entire farm. And second is a customer trust. The second strength is a customer trust. Because of the open farm policy, people can directly see how animals are treated and how food is made. This transparency builds strong relationship with customer and gives the brand a very honest and ethical image. People are more likely to buy from a farm they can trust. Third, resource limits. However, there are some limitation too. The farm cannot expand quickly because it depends on the nature, land and human labor, not machines. Sometimes the demand of become higher than what the farm can supply. The finding skilled worker who understand sustainable farming can be difficult. So while the system is very sustainable, it also is a limit on how big it can grow. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jaydeep. Now I'm talking about three actionable recommendations. Like the start with the first one. First one is the scale the model, not the farm. Like the instead of making the farm bigger, take others how to do it. Like create a training or license systems. For the example, Polyface satellite, so other farms can copy the method. So this helps grow the business and also earn extra money from consulting or training. Now we are going on the second one options, that is optimize MBS distributions, like the improve how products are delivered and ordered. So, for that, use online ordering and demand forecasting to make more frequent but smaller deliveries. So this means less waste, faster delivery and happier customers. The third one is invest in energy. So use a solar power to support electric fences and charging stations for the electric delivery vehicles. So this reduce fuels cost and pollutions. Also gives the company a strong eco-friendly image. So it's also good for the branding. Now let's talk on the another slide. The another slide is, so now we are on the final slide, AI collaborations and reflections. So AI was used to help organize and analyze information using business frameworks like Slack's for VS, Lean, and Deming models. AI helped with finding patterns, examples, and evidence, and making recommendations more focused and practical. So, and also for making judgments, choosing priorities, and adding a real world understandings. So, in short, we use the AI tools like the ChatGPT, Gamma, Gemini. We use AI tools to analyze data and improve our business recommendations. The three key actions are teaching other our model instead of expanding land, improving our delivery system for less waste, and investing in solar energy for cost and brand benefits. So AI helped us to structure ideas, but judgment would improve for making final decisions. So that's all thing we offer. Thank you so much.